Master your AirPods, music and call controls.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to answer a commonly asked question. Can I still use my AirPods for music but not for phone calls? If you've ever been in a situation where you wanted to listen to your favorite tunes, but didn't want to be interrupted by phone calls, this video is for you.
Can you use AirPods for music and not for calls?
The answer is yes. You absolutely can use your AirPods for music without them being connected to your phone calls. It's not directly a feature of the AirPods themselves, but rather a setting you can adjust on your connected device.
How can you set this up?
The method can vary depending on your device. For an iPhone, it's as easy as changing a few settings. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Phone. 3. Select Calls on other devices. 4. Here you'll see a list of your devices connected to your iCloud account. Simply toggle off the switch next to your AirPods. Now, when you receive a phone call, it won't interrupt your music through your AirPods.
What about other devices?
If you're using an Android device or a computer, the process might be a bit different, but the idea is the same. You want to ensure that your AirPods are only set as the output device for media audio and not for call audio. You can usually find this option in the Bluetooth settings for your specific device. And there you have it. You can enjoy your music uninterrupted on your AirPods, while your phone calls go through your device's main speaker or elsewhere. We hope this video has been helpful and will enhance your AirPods experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your devices. Happy listening!